Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. If you're new, I do fragrance and luxury related videos, so if that's something you're into, please consider subscribing to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a tag video. I was tagged by Will McCason, the handsome, classy, elegant Will McCason, thank you so much, to do the this or that tag, which was started by Luxhandbaglover. And by the way, Will, you mentioned me in the Black Luxury Creators tag. So was I supposed to do that? Or was that just you mentioning those that you liked? I wasn't sure. If so, I'm going to do it. And also, Lisa Loves Handbags tagged me to do the luxury name tag. I've mentioned before that I suffer from health issues, so now I'm feeling better and I have a lot more energy, so I'm going to get these videos done, and I appreciate you guys tagging me. I really appreciate it. So this is the this or that tag, and Will revamped it for the guys. So I'll go ahead and get started. So the first will be the House of LV, and the choice is clay or 6 key holder. So my choice clearly is the 6 key holder. Yeah, I love this. It keeps your bag safe from the keys. The clay is cool, but I don't like having my keys in the same space as my cash or coins or cards. I just don't like that. So 6 key holder. Damier Ebene or graphite. Damier Ebene, traditional. Monogram Eclipse or classic monogram. Monogram Eclipse. It's sexier, more mysterious, a little bit more low key. Monogram Eclipse or monogram Macassar. Monogram Eclipse for the same reason. Tyga or Epi. I like Epi. I have the Zippy coin purse in the denim Epi. I love the denim Epi. I sold it. I want it back, so Epi, just for that reason. Steamer or Christopher backpack. Steamer just because of the looks. I know it would be hard to get into, but Steamer because it's beautiful. The coin card holder or the pocket organizer. Now this is a hard choice. They're both very, very useful, functional, but I think I would go for the coin card holder because it's multi-purpose. Okay, now moving on to the House of Hermes. The Hermes Classic Shine or Brushed Gold for the H belt. And I like brushed, it's more low-key. Togo or Epsom, I love Epsom. It's just simple, durable. Box calfskin or Sombrero 2. Sombrero 2 because of the matte. Same reason Will liked it. 32 millimeter belt or 38 millimeter belt. I think 32 as well. It's just slimmer, trimmer. Yeah, more low key. Gold or etoupe. The color gold or etoupe in the leather. I like gold. I love etoupe, but I prefer gold. Now for the Click HH bracelet. Would you prefer polished or matte? I like polished enamel. Also for the Click HH brushed gold or silver. I choose silver because I love silver. Silver jewelry, I love silver. Now moving on to the House of YSL. Espadrilles and suede or calfskin. I like calfskin. I think suede is beautiful, but I would just be worried about getting them dirty. And with calfskin, you can be less careful. Now the card holder, gold or silver? Silver hardware. I love silver. Now for the YSL boots, Japur or harness? Harness. I just like the detail, the metal detail of those boots. So yeah. And so that was the this or that tag that Will remixed for the guys. And he tagged a lot of guys to do this, so I'll tag a couple that he didn't. And I'll tag Prabesh Garung, and I'll tag Joe Montano or Style by Joe on Instagram. So that's the tag, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you stayed long enough, I'm going to do a quick reveal of a Chanel SOG that I got recently. So here is the box. Let's see if I can do a thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, here's the box. And if you're my Instagram friend, you know what this is already. So this is from the 19S collection. can see that. And it is a mini case. And when I saw this print, I knew I wanted something in this print. I didn't know if it would be this or the card holder, but I got this. And I would love to have a card holder too. So this is the dust bag. And I got the mini case. And I don't know, this print, it screams summer. And I don't know, but to me, it just reminds me of candy. Gummy bears, taffy with the different pastel colors, the umbrellas. It's just really, really cool. And I use this hopefully as a catch-all in my bag. And let's see, I want to take, yeah, I'll take out, this is the authenticity card, and this is a, let's see, a 27 series, if you can see that. Beautiful light blue interior. And this was made, let's see where, in Italy, yeah. I love O cases. They're the perfect wallet / catch-all. And this is in the patent calfskin, but this is beautiful. And maybe I'll get the card holder at some point. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. All right, take care.